it's Raven. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, as you can see, I have a box for us to open today, and this box is actually one of the Resident Evil boxes that I've been seeing all over Facebook, Instagram. It's from a company called I think it's called stylinboxes.com, and I paid a good lump sum of change for this. I paid $60 for this, and according to what I read, there's supposed to be 5 to 8 items in here. Also, yes, this has been a while since I've actually done a haul or unboxing, I should say. Mostly because I've been very busy and I never have been posting on my channel that much. A lot's going on in my life, but that could be another video, story time if y'all want. But yes, so let's go ahead and get to this unboxing. So first off, this is what the box looks like. The box is so freaking cool. And I can hear some stuff moving. It's like, oh, got a little torn. That's okay. The box is still full. And yeah, so let's get to opening. I believe the openings are right here. This is very exciting. Ooh. Oh, I see some stuff up here. Oh wow. So it's like a bunch of little stuff. So let's start with this right here. This is a very little box, so let's see what it is. Ooh, what in the world is this? Oh wow. Oh, it looks like a metallic wallet to like hold your cards and stuff. That's actually pretty cool. I necessarily would not use this, but it's really cool. It's very sturdy, and I like how it opens automatically like that. So you can put like cards and stuff, or I'm not sure. Is this like it's supposed to be like a cigarette holder? I'm not sure. Unfortunately, there's no like letter of what says to come in the box, but this is the first item, so that's pretty cool. And let's ooh, this is a new wallet. I think my boyfriend would like this. But hold let's take a look at it. Oh, this is so cool. This is a really cool, yeah, it's a really awesome wallet. Get rid of that. But yeah, this is a very cool design wallet. I actually do like this. I wouldn't use this wallet per se. This is mostly stuff that I would give to my boyfriend or my stepdad. But either one of them would probably like this. Alright, next thing I see in here. This is a lanyard. Ooh, this one I'm definitely keeping. I'm definitely keeping this lanyard. Oh, this is so cool. And I love it. I love lanyards. Like, I'm a big, huge fan of lanyards. They're all boxed up right now, but this is one that'll be added to my collection. And this is one I'm probably going to use for, like, conventions. I am not taking this to work with me. I don't want this to get damaged. So, this is going for my conventions. Okay, and next one. I think this is a belt. Oh, it is a belt. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hold on. I gotta open off camera. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, this is a belt and it's still strapped. I don't wear belts, so this is probably one I could probably give to my stepdad if he wants it, but I'm not sure. But this is a really cool belt. It's really cool, but unfortunately I don't wear belts, but it has a cool logo on it, so that's a bonus. Okay, and this one, oh, there's tiny stuff in here. I didn't see that. Oh, this is so cool. How can I open this? Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh, this is a cool pin. I like how it has Capcom's logo on there. But this is a really cool pin. I can't remember what this is from. I can't remember if it's from the movie or a game, but if y'all can tell me in the comments, let me know. But this is really cool. I think I will go ahead and keep this because I'm a pin collector. This is awesome. Okay, here we have like a couple more things. Here's another little thing. This is a keychain. This one I'm keeping for my keys. Oh, this is a really cool keychain. It's got the umbrella logo and everything. I am obsessed. I really am obsessed. I love keychains. This is going for me on my keys. I am not giving this to anyone. Okay. I think there's there's only 2 more things in here. What? Are these socks? They look like socks. Yep, they're socks. Ooh, okay. I am not giving these to anybody. These are mine. I love socks. I love to wear socks all the time. I love these. Ooh, the material feels a little nice. It's very thin. It's kind of like... Oh. I'm so sorry. My door just opened by itself. Oh no, my poster's falling down. I'll fix that in a minute. But, oh, yeah. So... Sorry, my door just opened. It's very windy right now outside. My window's open because it's hot in here. But this material is really cool. I will keep these socks. I am not giving these away. This is mine. And last but not least, this pillow. This is a really cool pillow. It's like an umbrella logo and everything. Oh, this is cool. Love the pillow. I don't care if it's small, actually. I'm not a big fan of big like pillows, but this is really cool. This is all gonna go on my bed, and it's actually kind of a little squishy, but you know what? It's decoration. I love it. So yeah, that was everything in the box. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all my conclusion in a minute. I just need to clean everything off, so give me a sec. Go ahead and put everything back in here. I think the coolest part out of all of them was the wallet. Okay, here's my conclusion. So, I paid $60 for this box. Is it worth it? To be very truthful, I mean, it can be worth it, but since this box, since it already didn't come with like most amazing stuff, I mean, the only cool thing I could think of, actually 2 cool things, was this holder and this wallet. Like, this was the coolest thing ever. But yeah, this is necessarily, I wouldn't say it was worth $60. I wish I could have a price thing to compare it to. If I find it, I'll put it somewhere in the video, but I wouldn't say this would be worth $60. This box would be at least like maybe at least 50 or 40 depending. But I would go ahead and say the most expensive thing that's probably in here was this holder. I think, if I'm okay, now that I look back at it, I think it's a cigarette holder, which is pretty cool. But no one in my, well, I have one member of my family, but she would not use this. But this is like really cool to keep as a decoration. And the second coolest thing would be this wallet, because hello, honestly, Raccoon City Police, it's really cool. But anywho, that's my unboxing for y'all. If y'all want me to do more unboxings, let me know. I may go ahead and get a Wednesday box if it's available on that website and do an unboxing for that. But yeah, that's my unboxing. Catch y'all later. Heart. Bye.